Now here is a step-by-step guide on how to cancel your subscription from Capcut. So if you want to cancel your subscription, you now click on the Capcut mobile application. So now once you click on it, mind you, I am using an iPad. You now proceed, you click on your profile icon below. So now once you click on your profile icon, you now click on your profile at this point. So once you click on your profile, once you click on standards, you will now see that your subscription will be due on the 17th of this month. You see the date at this point. So in order to cancel this subscription, since you are using an Apple product, you now proceed, you now go to your Apple store. So while waiting for the system to load, if this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe and share. So now once you click on your Apple store, you click on your profile. So now once you click on your profile this way, you now proceed to where we have subscriptions. So now once you click on subscription, you will now see that you ought to pay for Capcut on the 17th, and this is the amount you are going to pay. In order to cancel this, you now click at this point. So now once you click at that point, you now click on cancel subscription. So now once you click at that point, you now click at this point to cancel your subscription. So at this point, once your subscription expires, this will not be automatically renewed anymore. So if this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe and share this video.